Get a more stylish and high-tech look with 6000K bright white light. No homologation ECE. Whether it's your phone, your keys, or some spare change, we've all had to search for misplaced items in a dark car. With Philips LED interior lighting, you get a bright, uniformly diffused light. Philips Ultinon LED lights are direct replacements for conventional bulbs. They're easy to install and available for a wide range of interior and exterior applications. Philips offers a wide range of smart light bulbs, lamps, fixtures and accessories. Philips Automotive continuously strives to provide the best headlight bulbs for your car lighting needs. Philips offers halogen bulbs with up to 100% more light on the road than traditional car headlights. Our Philips Vision LEDs are the first to market street-legal exterior LEDs as a direct replacement for exterior incandescent bulbs, and they're to last 12+ years. Philips replacement auto headlights and upgrade headlight bulbs provide greater safety and style, to make the most of your driving experience. Top reviews from the United States. Will not flicker like some of the cheaper 194 LED bulbs. Best set of LED bulbs I have purchased. And they don't flicker after time like some of the cheaper LED bulbs I have purchased in the past. I have these in all of my vehicles.